got at Gearco here.
Yeah, I'll take all three out. I also got in the picture. Let me keep looking.
Got town shirt. Lighting equipment puppies. Quilts.
Oh, all the way. Okay.
All kinds of food. Like you could basically resupply here. Very, very easily.
Box. The hoodies in. Stuff it in here. Where's my knife? About this one.
Yeah, this one will be perfect. Let's give it a go. Yeah, I can do that. I can blatantly do that.
You don't have like a metal pin the same length but without the pointy part?
I mean, this is what we have if you want to look through it.
Where do you buy normal? Oh, these. What are those things called? Clips, you know,
Yeah. And in my opinion, that right there is one of the best things about this shop.
Paper clips? Paper clips.
Like, he has all kinds of cottage manufacturer gear here. Like App Gear Co., Light AF, Neighborhood Packs, so on. And that's stuff that you only can get online or at trail days. So, if nothing else, you could come here to Marion Outdoors and try on the packs, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I had such an amazing stay. I've been here for like 3 days, and it was just amazing.
I'm so sorry.
But yeah, highly recommend this place. And if you need anything while you're on the AT or doing bike routes that comes through Marion, Virginia, highly recommend stopping at Marion Outdoors and come see Coach. This is bullshit. So much trash, dude. Like, this gotta be like a legal dump site. Like, there's all kinds of shit everywhere back in there. Absolutely crazy. What's up, everybody? So, just sitting here drinking some hot chocolate. It's about 3 o'clock, but didn't go very far today. I'm camped. Right over there is the AT. There's a great campsite here. But to begin with, I stopped and just set up my tent because there was a huge, like, rain storm or something coming. Like, I could see it coming right towards me. So I got in my tent and just waited that out. Got my bags off the bike, just threw them in there. Then by the time it quit, it was like 2:45. And I did some maintenance on my bike. My chain broke yesterday on the way to Walmart. And this morning I put a new chain on it. I was half asleep when I did it. And then I just realized it was making a weird noise coming up the hill. And come to find out, I didn't have it run through the derailleur right at all. So I'm lucky that thing didn't break again. But I got it on there right now. And I turned the bike upside down. My gears just wasn't shifting right. I guess I may hit the derailleur on the limb or something or another. So I sat here, adjusted that, and now it's shifting through the gears perfect again. And we're going to need it because we got a lot of climbing between here and the last 20 miles or so to Damascus. No matter what route I take, the last 20-25 miles is going to be all downhill, so that's going to be fun.